Investing in gold and silver. While you could invest in property in a rapidly rising economy, the fact is that the majority of these assets are not liquid. Although this may be a deterrent, there are also advantages to investing in gold and silver. One of the most obvious benefits is their inflation protection properties. Inflationary pressures are unlikely to affect these assets as they are low risk, low priced and have a long history as symbols of wealth. As well as being high-yielding investments, they can also offer tangible investments. For example, you can buy and sell Krugerrands, ingots and securities. While gold tends to increase in value faster than silver, the latter has room for further gains in the future. While both precious metals are safer than equities, the volatility of the former may increase the risk of investing in them. In addition, investors are advised to use a variety of strategies when making a decision about which precious metals to purchase. Financial Advisors recommends a subscription-based service, Financial Stock Advisor. It costs $79 per year and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. There are many reasons to invest in gold and silver. These commodities are highly sought after and have a long track record of performance. Historically, they have acted as the ultimate safe havens for investors. But the world's economy has never been so fragile. While some argue that gold and silver are bad investments, they have consistently increased in value and have even been considered a safe haven in times of economic turmoil. Investing in gold and silver is not the same thing as investing in stocks or bonds. It's important to consider your goals and objectives before making any investment decision. It is wise to consult a financial advisor when you have an idea of how to proceed. This way, you can choose which precious metals to invest in. This way, you can make a decision based on your financial situation and goals. This way, you'll be assured that your money is safe and you'll benefit from the price growth for many years to come. Investing in gold and silver is a great way to protect your investments. These precious metals have historically increased in value, and their value can be used as a hedge against political instability or economic collapse. They're also useful in long-term investing. Despite the volatility of the market, gold and silver are both great options. Aside from buying physical metals, you can also trade gold and silver futures. In this way, you can hedge your investments against price fluctuations by purchasing futures contracts. This is a good alternative to investing in gold and silver. ETFs provide greater exposure to different companies in the gold and diamond industry, and the benefits are clear. The downside is that ETFs are not the most suitable investment options for beginners. Visit CarenGoldman.com to learn more.